Hi guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have a brand new to the channel and kind of brand new in general subscription box. This is Ellen Degeneres Subscription Box, Be Kind by Ellen. So I know there was like this whole launch, then for some reason the box was yanked back or something to that sort, and then they just relaunched it again. This is the relaunched box that I have here. Oddly enough, it is the fall box. If you are hanging out in the subscription box world, you know it's a little bit of a late release for fall. Fall kind of releases through late August, September, and October. So to be releasing in November is different. I'm very intrigued to see what's inside. When I first got the box, I thought that it was B-E-E kind. So I looked it up, but it's not. That's just a very big B. So it's B-E kind by Ellen. I also noticed that it has the recycle logo, packed with love in Los Angeles, and Sustainable Forestry Initiative certified sourcing. So she's definitely sticking with what is her true mantra of being kind to the earth, being kind to others. And I do love that because that is one of the things I would say that subscription boxes get a bad rap for, is the fact that they have to pack your stuff for it not to break. But then people get mad that their stuff has to be packed. And so like it's kind of a vicious cycle. We'll see what that looks like when it comes to Ellen. So, ooh, it's no tissue paper. It goes straight in. Okay, so let me tell you this before we throw this open. This is a quarterly box at $54.99. You can use my coupon code here to sign up and get a discount. And I have the URL to sign up for below. I also have a full itemized of everything that's in this box down below. But there is $209.29 inside this box that we only paid $54.99 for. And since Ellen's getting ready to do her big Christmas giveaway, you know, on her show every year where she does all this giveaway stuff, they are including a golden ticket in every single fall box. So every person who purchases a fall box is automatically entered to receive an entry for the chance to win a trip for two to LA for the taping of Ellen's 12 Days of Christmas. So this is one of the perks. It says they're gonna announce the winners via phone after November 14th. So there's that. You wanna purchase your box between now and November 14th. But in here should be 7 social conscious products handpicked by Ellen. They focus on donating to others, providing jobs to women, helping reduce single-use plastics and paper waste, and many more things in the Be Kind. And these are things that they've already accomplished, not like things they want to do, things they already have put into action. So, with that being said, here is the box. I'm guessing ZenWTR must be a sponsor because that's a big old logo on the inside of this box. I think the box is beautiful. Whenever I was at the post office picking it up, the lady handed me the box and said, "You always get the most beautiful mail." And I was like, thank you. I do get beautiful mail. So on top here is the Be Kind catalog. Oh, it's printed on very nice paper. It breaks down everything inside the box. I don't really want to look. I mean, I kind of want to just be surprised. I know the total retail value, but this is a really good magazine. I never know what to grab first. Let's go for the yellow bag. So this is a Terra thread earth motivated zipper pouch in yellow. I love this color. And yeah, it's just a zipper pouch. It has, the bottom does expand. I would use this for makeup, or when my kids, like we're traveling to the park, or there's this place called Pearl in San Antonio that we go to and picnic a lot, I would tell them to put all their colored pencils and stuff in here. This bag actually has a ton of uses. It's 100% certified fair trade organic cotton. That is very cool. Yeah, it has all sorts of fair trade stampings on here that it's certified, the cotton, the manufacturing. Very cool little bag. Next is Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubber, an exfoliating sponge. I don't know if y'all have ever used these, but Daily Concept stuff is really, really good. I use them mostly when I'm getting ready to fake and bake myself with some rub-on and tanning lotion, since I'm never in the sun anymore, and I definitely am not going to any type of tanning bed. These are great to scrub down all the rough patches, or during the summer when I'm like running around barefoot a lot. It's good for that too. That's a great brand. Is this a mitt? Oh yeah, it's the little mitt scrubber. Sometimes they have round scrubbers and they have glove scrubbers. This is the mitt scrubber. And I didn't mention this, but it does say on here The label will fade when the product needs to be replaced. So you'll know you need a new scrubber when the label on the inside no longer has words on it, which is pretty nice. What is this big thing? I have to get this, open this big thing. Also, something smells really good inside this box. Modern Monet Paint by Numbers Kit, the Vintage Vision. Oh my gosh. So there is a whole paint by numbers in here. So this is the canvas for a vintage car that is on the tube. Oh my gosh. So that is a canvas. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is, I guess, what we're painting is this vintage car that's on the side right here. How unique is this? Here are all the paints that you need. There's 4 different type of brushes inside here. Here is a picture so you can see your color palette and know exactly what you're painting. And then here are the instructions. How cool. Oh my gosh. What a unique item to put in a box. So I wasn't sure exactly what type of box this is, but I'm guessing I would call it a lifestyle box. An ethically sourced and curated lifestyle box. Okay. Is this what smells so good? Yes. This is it. Miracle Made laundry detergent sheets. I don't know. Have you guys ever seen this before? I've never seen this. Dissolves completely in water, works in all machines, including high efficiency, gentle on skin and hyperallergenic, 0 plastics, biodegradable, only 4 natural ingredients. Well, by golly, that's a sheet of soap. How cool. They're kind of thick. They're not residuey. They smell amazing. So you just throw it in the wash and you're done. Oh my goodness, there's 60 sheets in here. You can use them for hand wash as well. Use 2 to 3 sheets for especially large or soil loads. How cool. I've never, ever received a product like that. And you guys know I receive a lot of subscription boxes. And then on here is like a little riser, and attached to the riser are 2 different jewelry pieces. A pair of earrings by Sanctuary Project. Here are the earrings, and it says, "We are a non-profit social enterprise providing meaningful employment and job training to survivors of trafficking, violence, and addiction." And these are gorgeous earrings. And then what is this? It's a bracelet. And it's a bracelet a lot like this necklace I'm wearing. I don't know if you can see, but I've got this necklace like a lasso, but it has the adjustable band on the back. This is what this bracelet is. 18-karat gold-plated, semi-precious stones. It is completely adjustable. So it does not matter if you're like me and you have super, super skinny wrist, because you can put it on, and if you can see, you can hold the top and pull down on this to make it fit any wrist size. That is crazy cool. It's very pretty. It has rose quartz on it. How cool is that? Look how good that looks together. And then, I guess the box sponsor, ZenWTR, vapor distilled alkaline ZenWTR. Has anybody ever tried this? Has anybody ever had the effects of ZenWTR? I've never heard of it. Sounds fancy. Okay, so I don't know what I was expecting, but it's definitely a lifestyle box. So the value is $54.99. That's the real question I'm facing right now. Do I think I am seeing $54.99 in value? Yes, I think so. I'm not like overly in love. It seems very piecemeal. Yes, it has the overarching theme of social conscious products, but it seems a bit random. We got a water, we got an earring, we got a bracelet, we got laundry detergent, we got a bag, we got a body scrubber, and a paint by numbers. It just kind of seems all over the place. What are y'all's thoughts? All great brands, all great products. What do y'all think about this in comparison to FabFitFun? Because if you've been hanging on the channel, you know I've been kind of wondering if maybe I should replace FabFitFun with something else, because I guess you would say is I'm a little bit over it. I feel bad saying that. You can see my last FabFitFun up here if you want to check it out. It says that these earrings have a $50 value. Let's see. I mean, since it's such a great organization, I would be tempted to spend $50 on these, but that would be the only reason. Like, looking at these, I'm not seeing a $50 pair of earrings. I just love what the organization is doing, so I might be willing to pay that, if that makes sense. The Monet paint by numbers is $42, which makes sense. It's got a real canvas in it. I just, with my personality, I'm trying to think, am I actually going to use that? Do I see a 42 value for me personally? The Terra Thread makeup bag, it's a makeup bag, it's a catch-all bag, I can do a lot of things. It's $15, it's a very accurate assessment. The Rose Quartz bracelet from Charged Wellness has a $40 value. Yeah, that's fair. I think that's a pretty fair assessment. I think this would end up driving me crazy after a little bit. It's so long, like I have to do it so tight to fit my skinny wrist. I think that would end up driving me crazy, like just full disclosure. But maybe not. I'm willing to try it. The Daily Concepts Body Scrubber is $20. That's about on par. I mean, I think they're expensive, but I think that's on par for price for what I've seen. The Miracle Brand Laundry Detergent Sheets have a retail value of $40. There's 60 sheets in here. One sheet equals 60 loads. So it cost me $40 to wash 60 loads of laundry. I am all about protecting this beautiful earth we've been given. Although the product is sustainable, the cost price point is not sustainable. Like, I could not afford to purchase those to wash a family of 4 with 2 kids' clothes, if that makes sense. And then this has a value of $229, which seems on par, $209 value. So I want to hear y'all's thoughts. I'm very interested to hear y'all's thoughts. Leave them below. Let me know what your thoughts. If you know like the backstory on this box, share that below. I know it started, then it quit. Maybe, I don't know. I would love to hear. If you guys want to see more crazy fun and interesting subscription box unboxings, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and you click the little bell for notifications. If you don't want the notifications, just subscribe to the channel, and then when you hop on, they'll be ready and waiting for you. I hope that you guys have an absolutely amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys later. Bye, y'all.